Well, wouldn't it be great if the Wi-Fi on your phone automatically switched to the strongest signal it had? Well, it turns out it is possible, and you might already have the app on your phone to do it. Now, everybody's phone will automatically switch Wi-Fi if you completely lose signal. And what I mean by that is if you leave your house and come back, it connects to the strongest signal that it recognizes, and it connects to it. But what I'm talking about is if you're somebody like me that has two wireless devices in your house. I have a wireless modem at one end and the wireless router at the other end. I could be right next to the wireless router, but if I'm connected to that other device, even though I'm only getting 1 bar from that and I could be getting full bars from the other one, it stays connected. It won't disconnect and connect to the strongest signal. But there is a way you can do it. So let me show you what you need to do. So the first thing is you need an app that will automatically switch to the strongest signal. And the two best that I've found are Wi-Fi Manager and Wi-Fly. So let me first talk about the app Wi-Fly. Now this app is specifically made for switching between devices with the strongest signal. And all you have to do is set up your home and all the devices you know, and it will automatically switch between them. But the trick is you must have location turned on. So if you go at the top of your phone, pull down, and location, which is the thing you need to operate GPS, that must be on. But the trick is you don't need to have full GPS. There's 3 different settings for location. There's high accuracy, which uses Wi-Fi and GPS. There's battery savings, which just uses the Wi-Fi. And then there's phone, which uses just the GPS. For this to switch to the strongest signal, you can just have it on Wi-Fi, the battery savings mode, which is good because I don't like to leave my location turned on. I don't, for multiple reasons. One of them, it drains the battery. But for battery saving mode, I'm fine with leaving it on, and you must have it on to switch between devices. If you run Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi Manager and you don't have location on, it will not switch to the best signal. Now the other app was something I already had on my phone, and it's called Wi-Fi Manager. And it looks like this. Now within that Wi-Fi Manager app, if you click on the 3 dots in the top right and you go to settings and you scroll a little ways down, there's a best network category. And you can click on switch to best network. And you can check it every 1 minute, current level. There's a whole bunch of different settings you can do, which is just like Wi-Fi, so you don't actually have to download that other program. And this will also automatically switch to the best signal. I never knew this had this feature, and I never had it turned on, and I never would have had my location turned on. But once I did, it started switching. So this is great. I can walk to one end of my house, and it'll connect to the strongest signal there. I can go in the basement, it'll connect to the strongest signal there. So it's not like before where I might be sitting right next to a wireless device, and I'm getting 1 bar from the other end of the house because I connected to that one first. Now it will automatically switch. So a lot of people say your phone won't do it, and it won't on its own. But with these 2 things, turning on your location, battery saving mode, Wi-Fi mode, and running one of these 2 apps, Wi-Fi Manager or Wi-Fly, and turning it on and having it run, and you will automatically connect to the strongest signal. So I hope this helps. I hope it alleviates problems I know I've had, and everything I read said it couldn't be done, but it turns out it can, and it does work. So let me know if this helps. Thanks.
Well, I hope you liked the video you just watched. If you did, feel free to subscribe by clicking the button on this side. You can also check out all the videos I've done, the playlist from things I've built, things I've fixed, home repair, 3D printing, and on this side you can check out a recommended video similar to the one you just watched. And as always, down in the description I'll put a link to my blog, which has more pictures and more information about the video you just watched. Thanks.